Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So lately I've been seeing this thing all over the internet. A method that supposedly lets you get unlimited gold and gems in Fate War straight from your phone. No laptop, no complicated setup, nothing fancy. I decided to give it a shot myself, and surprisingly, it actually worked. Here's how it all went down. The first thing I need is the player ID. You can find it easily in your Fate War profile or settings. I just copied mine down real quick since we'll need it in the next step. Super simple, takes like 5 seconds. Next, I opened up my browser. I used Chrome, but Safari works too, and went to the generator page. I searched for Fate War and clicked on the Unlimited Golden Gems hack option. The site loaded smoothly, no shady redirects or weird ads, which honestly made me feel a bit more confident. Once I was there, I picked my platform. I'm on Android, but it works on iOS too, and pasted my player ID. After double checking everything, I hit proceed. The connection process started right away. It showed a quick loading animation linking to the account. Pretty smooth, no hiccups so far. Now it's time for the fun part, which is choosing the amount of resources I need, so I decided on a decent test amount. Once I tapped proceed, it started doing its thing, progress bars, sync messages, all that stuff. Looked surprisingly legit. Before wrapping up, it asked me to complete a quick verification, basically install and open a free app for a minute or two. It didn't take long, and once I finished that, I went back to the generator page to confirm everything was successful. After completing the verification, I reopened Fate War, and sure enough, the extra gold and gems was already there. No delays, no crashes, just instant results. Honestly, I didn't expect it to work this smoothly, but here we are. So yeah, this hack method actually worked for me. It was quick, easy, and 100% mobile. Just make sure to follow each step carefully. If this video helped you out, drop a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tests like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.